Tactical Snacking with Decay.
Welcome to Tactical Snacking with Decay. I am Decay. Today I'm going to show you how to make a variation of my butt glitter seasoning that I like to call Dat Chicken Butt Glitter though. I have my recipe printed out here on a sticker as always because it's going to go on this quart jar that will house the seasoning mix, which this may not look like a whole lot, but I have a whole bunch more that I have made and I use all the time. So this is a variation that I made specifically for using on chicken, taking some inspiration from Yield Kernel. And we also found that it's really great on vegetables too. And this is one that I'm really happy with and I really hope you try. So let's get started for this. As always, this recipe is written out in parts, so then that way you could use whatever measuring implement you want, be it a thimble, be it a shot glass, whatever. In this particular circumstance, I used a teaspoon because, again, it's what I got, and that works just fine. So, step one, 6 parts ground black pepper, 6 parts granulated garlic, 2 parts granulated onion, 1 part each cayenne pepper and paprika. Get in there. And then lastly, 1 part each of ground thyme, ground oregano, and ground rosemary. Those are just dried spices that I get in the bulk section at my local supermarket and then run through my spice grinder that I have, which is just a bladed coffee grinder that I use specifically for spices. So yeah, just grind up what you need, measure it out, and there you go. So then all you got to do, lid it up, slap on your sticker so then that way your recipe is always on your jar, and just mix it up and really try it on some chicken tonight. You can either roast it, you could bake it, you could fry it, whatever you want to do. This is fantastic stuff. I really recommend you give it a try. Thanks for watching.